Delhi Police has intensified its crackdown on social media content following the recent CJP protest at Jantar Mantar. Police said notices are being issued to accounts that allegedly share abusive, illegal, or misleading posts targeting senior leaders, including the Prime Minister. Officials said a detailed review of videos, comments, and posts uploaded during and after the protest is currently underway. According to police, more than 480 social media handles allegedly linked to Pakistan have been identified for spreading fake narratives, rumors, and AI-generated deepfake videos related to the demonstrations. Officials claimed these were the same Pakistan-linked accounts that were active during Operation Sindoor. Police also said cyber teams are tracing the IP addresses of these accounts as part of the investigation. Authorities said a dedicated 24/7 social media monitoring team is scanning online content to identify misinformation, deepfakes, and posts that may violate legal provisions or disturb public order. Police said platforms are being served notices to remove objectionable content in accordance with the law, adding that the exercise is ongoing. Meanwhile, Delhi Police dismissed a viral video claiming that DCP Sumit Shah had resigned, calling it completely fake and generated using artificial intelligence.